I was sent the set of two organizational baskets. These are steel construction, very rugged, and they're magnetic so that they can be mounted perhaps on the side of a refrigerator or a washing machine in your home, or outside in a more garage-like setting, maybe on the side of a toolbox, on a power panel, anywhere you have a steel backing. These very strong magnets, and you can see this circle of these very strong magnets here, are going to hold this thing against that surface. And it's got a rubber pad here. It's a foam pad that's mounted right to the basket in a very rigid way. It's kind of welded on there. This is going to balance it out. So you put whatever storage items you want to put in here. If you do attach this to the side of a refrigerator or some thinner steel, it's going to hold about 10 pounds of weight because these magnets don't have a lot of steel to grab onto in those cases. But if you put it on a very thick toolbox, you're going to have much more carrying power, and you're talking about 24 pounds of weight that this will hold. Now I'm going to use it on the side of a toolbox. This comes shipped with a set of two. You see one fits inside the other when it comes to you in the box. You do have to attach the magnets. They give you all the hardware that you'll need to do that. But one is just slightly smaller than the other in terms of dimensions, and in terms of the width here, it's like about an inch shorter here, and about the same here on the length, just about an inch. So let's go ahead and attach this to the side of my toolbox, see how it works. All right, so I've got a nice thick gauge steel toolbox here that I'm going to stick this to. And boy, you see it wants to jump on there. And this is strong. It's going to hold plenty, and I can lift it up and remove it by just picking it up from the bottom like that. But when it goes on there, nice and strong. So I'm going to use this for a variety of things in my shop. I've got lots of power cords I'm always trying to store somewhere. I can do that. I could put other things in here. Whatever, sky is a limit on this, but super handy to have this, and to have that carrying capacity, 24 pounds on the side of a toolbox like this, really makes this a nice storage solution. So hey, I hope that's helpful to learn a little bit more about these magnetic baskets, and I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.